Hi friends, welcome to our channel Know This Info. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Today I am going to share about immunity. At end of this video, you could find the answer for are you maintaining healthy immunity in the modern lifestyle? Watch till end. You will find the answer. Firstly, we have to know about what is immunity. Immunity does a remarkable job of defending you against diseases causing microorganisms. These are the parts of our immune system. Skin is the first line of our defending force against diseases. Other parts in our body in the image are internal organs of our immune system. I am going to tell you about how to boost our immunity naturally. There are only two ways to improve our immunity naturally. First is food. Second is lifestyle. Firstly, we are going to see the foods to boost our immune system. First one is citrus fruits, that is lemon or oranges. Citrus fruits contain vitamin C, which increases the production of white blood cells, which are key to fight infection in our body, and your body does not produce or store it, so you can consume it frequently with any type of meals. Second is red bell pepper. It contains almost 3 times as vitamin C as of citrus fruits. It has a rich source of beta carotene. Beta carotene can reduce inflammation and boost our immune system to fight against disease in our body. Third is broccoli. Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetable which contains vitamin A, C, E, fiber content and other antioxidants. Broccoli is supercharged with vitamins and minerals. Most of the research has proven that steaming of broccoli is the best way to keep more nutrition for consuming. Fourth is garlic. Garlic is the immunity boosting superstar for healthy immune system. It is found in every kitchen in the world. While consuming garlic, it helps to lower blood pressure and slow down hardening of the arteries. Fifth is ginger. Ginger reduces a sore throat and other inflammatory illness and may also help to decrease nausea. Sixth is spinach. Spinach has packed with rich in vitamin C, beta carotene and numerous antioxidants which may increase the infection fighting ability of our immune system. Seventh is almonds. Almonds contain vitamin E and it contains powerful antioxidant. It's a key to healthy immune system. Almond is a fat soluble vitamin, which means it requires the presence of fat to be absorbed properly, and it is also used for fighting against colds. Vitamin E tends to take a backseat to vitamin C. Eighth is sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds have nutrition, phosphorus, magnesium, vitamin B6 and vitamin E. Ninth is turmeric. Turmeric is a key ingredient in many curries. It has high concentration of curcumin and helps to cure muscular damages. Tenth is green tea. Green tea is a good source of amino acid. It may aid in the production of germ fighting compounds in your T cells. 11th is papaya. Papaya contains vitamin C and has digestive enzyme. It has an average amount of potassium, magnesium to maintain overall health. 12th is kiwi. Kiwi contains essential nutrients, includes folate, potassium, vitamin K and vitamin C and used to maintain the body properly. 13th is shellfish. Shellfish are packed with zinc. For example, crab, lobster, oysters. They are best diet plan to boost our immune system naturally. 14th is tulasi. Tulasi is so powerful that even smelling it has healing properties. Thus, it being used in aromatherapy. It provides relief from respiratory disorders, fever, asthma, and lung disorders. These are all the foods to improve our immunity. Second is lifestyle to boost our immunity. First one is get enough sleep. Sleep and immunity are closely tied. Getting adequate rest may strengthen your natural immunity. Adults are preferred to sleep minimum of 7 hours daily, and younger children and infants are preferred to sleep minimum of 14 hours daily. Going to bed at the same time daily is good for our health. Second is limit intake of white sugar. Intake of sugar continuously may lead to overweight and obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart diseases. Third is exercise. A moderate exercise will boost your overall immunity cells. Jogging, swimming, steady bicycling are great options. Fourth is stay hydrated. You should drink 3 to 4 liters of water daily. It will make you active for a whole day. Fifth is manage your stress levels. Relieving stress and anxiety is a key to immune. These are the two best ways to improve our immunity. Now we can see some frequently asked questions about immunity. First is, what is the time duration to improve our immune system? Immunity booster is not a overnight job. Boosting of your immunity takes some time. It will take months or maybe year. It takes long duration. If you want to boost your immunity, you can wait for a few months or even a year to see some results. How to see results? When you have a good immunity, you will be infected by virus or bacteria less. Even when you are infected, you can recover faster. Second question is, what causes your immune system to be low? Poor sleep, sugar intake, alcohol intake, and junk food. Third question is, what vitamin boosts your immune system? Three vitamins are best for boosting your immunity. Vitamin C is one of the biggest immune system booster of all. Vitamin B6 is vital to supporting biochemical reactions in the immune system. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps the body fight off infection. Fourth question is, what are the signs of a weak immune system? Signs and symptoms of primary immunodeficiency can include frequent and recurrent pneumonia, sinus infection, ear infections, skin infection, and infection of internal organs, blood disorders such as low platelet counts or anemia. Fifth question is, which exercise is best for immune system? Regular physical activity can strengthen your immune system and help your body fight off infections and virus. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity like walking, biking, swimming or other low impact workouts. Okay, now I am going to ask you, are you maintaining healthy immunity in the modern lifestyle? You are the answer. You follow the two ways in a proper manner, then you could find best result. Thanks for watching our video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for instant notification. Thank you.